O.
O.
Lizard.
Lizard.
Marisha, you may begin.
Good morning, everybody. This is your grade 1 literacy, and we said today we are going to learn about Len the Lion. Today is the 30th of April 2020, and I am Marisha Williams, your grade 1 literacy teacher. I'm so excited to have you back here today. Today we are going to learn about the L sound. We're going to listen and read a story, answer questions. We're going to do a comprehension, write the letter, and write a sentence. Whoa, can you see what is there? That reminds me of a story that I watched on Sunday. What is that story called again? About the animals, all the animals in the jungle, and he's the king. I can't remember what is that title. Does anybody know what is that title? Is there anybody that knows what's the title of that movie? Leo raised his hand. Let's hear.
It's a Lion King.
The Lion King. Yes, I watched that movie. I watched it many years ago and I watched it again on Sunday. I think it's so cool. So there you see, there's your capital L and the L. When we look at those letters, do you see the shape of these letters? The capital letter just goes straight down and across to your right. And the lowercase letter, it's just a line, a straight line that goes down. Len the lion. This is Len. Len is a lion. He is big and strong. When he is hungry, he licks his lips. He will wait until a leopard or lizard fall in his lap. I'm going to read that story one more time to you. And you listen very carefully. Look out for all the words that start with L in the story. Len the lion. This is Len. Len is a lion. He is big and strong. When he is hungry, he licks his lips. He will wait until a leopard or lizard fall in his lap. Now we are going to just go over the story. Len the lion, that is the title of the story, or we can say the name of the story. This is Len, and we also say what he is. He is big and strong. I wonder who else is there, maybe in your house, that you think is big and strong. Sometimes it can be mommy, sometimes it can be daddy, or maybe it can be granny, or it can be your brother or your sister. When he is hungry, he licks his lips. I sure know that when I look for something nice or I see something nice, I also lick my lips because I already can taste how yummy it is. He will wait until a leopard or lizard fall in his lap. I wonder why would these two things fall on his lap? That it actually sounds like this one doesn't want to hunt, hey? Because he's just waiting for something to fall on his lap. Who must do all the chasing to get this food? I wonder. So now I want you to read this with me. We're going to read this together, maybe all of us. And after that, we're going to go to the questions. So there I made it nice and big for you so that we can read together. Everybody ready? Let's read. Len the lion. Let me see, I must just unmute you. Can we just unmute everybody?
Yes.
This is Lin, the lion.
Is strong.
Lion.
Hungry. Licks
Where's your
his
mouse?
lips. Will wait till
No, that's not true. This
a
is a teacher.
leopard or lizard
Lisa.
fall in his lap.
I.
Check in your better one. That is a muted.
One more time.
And the lion. This is Len. The lion
Lin, not the
is big
lion.
and strong.
Is Lin.
When he is hungry,
Is a lion.
he licks his lips.
Is big and
His
strong.
lips.
When
He'll wait until
he is hungry,
leopard or a
he
lizard
licks his lips. He will wait until a leopard or a lizard falls on his lap.
Some very nice.
Internet connect is a nearby. Is it ours? Say it again. Yes.
big and hungry.
Yes.
He lives
Yes, somebody.
Lips. He will wait till a leopard. Time up. Come on, meeting.
Okay. I really enjoyed all that reading there. I really enjoyed that. Very, very nice. Parents, I hope that you maybe perhaps take a screenshot of that reading passage and then you can read it in your own time later. Very nicely done. So now we are going to answer some questions. What is the title of the story? What is the title of the story? Now we're going to have hands raised and see who's going to answer.
Reese. The lion.
What is the title of the story?
Len the lion.
Very good. Len the lion. That's fantastic. Number 2. Len is small. You have to say, is this true or false? Len is small. Is the answer true or is it false?
Kuma. It's not true. It's not true. It's not true.
If it's not true, what is the answer? You must say true or false. And I see Nsako raise the hand.
He's big and strong.
Yes, so what is the word that we need to answer with? True or false?
False.
Very good. False. And that's very good reasoning. You are saying why the information is not true. He is not small. He is big and strong. That is very nicely done. So even if there's just one word, I'll give you 2 ticks for that. That's brilliant. Number 3. Which word in the story rhymes with cap and nap?
Lap.
Fantastic. Lap. Very nice. Well done. I'm just wondering if everybody is unmuted. I see somebody raising his hand there.
Lap.
Very good. Lap. So let's say the 3 words that rhyme. So carefully, but the answer
Lap.
I'm only going to answer if it's A, B, or C. Answer or C. Okay. When he is hungry, he licks his. I see Taco raise his hand. The answer must only be A, B, or C. So watch, look carefully what the answer is, and then you only say A or B or C. When he is hungry, he licks his A. Does he lick his ear? B, his paw, or C, his lips. So you must only say A, B, or C. If he licks his ear, then you must say A.
It's A.
If he licks his paw, you must say B. And if he licks his lips, you must say C.
C.
When he is hungry, he licks his
Side. C side. C.
C. He licks his lips. Very good. And this we must be very careful with when we answer. Sometimes we say you must circle the correct answer when you do it on paper. And we say you must circle A, B, or C. Then you must be very careful. You must circle the A, the B, or the sea. Or so if any of you have work that you are doing, you must follow instructions very nicely. Read if it says circle the word or circle the answer, which is A, B, or C. Okay, that's a nice tip for you parents. So you are going to draw a picture of a lion. Okay, I would like for you to draw a picture of a lion. So you're going to do that when we are finished. So maybe right at the bottom of your, or at the top of your page, make yourself a nice block that you are going to draw your lion. And it must be as big as your hand, okay? So there you're going to have your picture right at the top of your page, where you're going to draw a lion, Mr. Lin the lion, okay? So now it's time for us to do some handwriting. And I'm going to, so you must have your pencils ready. Okay, we are going to do some handwriting now. I know that you've done a little bit of exercising there in the math class. So we're going to do some writing now. I'm going to get my pen over here. Let's get a nice bright color. So can we start at the top of your page, and we're going to follow and do this pattern. But first I want you to follow on the screen with your finger. And then we are just going to do this pattern. So we write from the left to the right. Okay, we start on the left side and we go across to the right. So we are going to start at the top, down, across, up, across to the right, down, across. Follow with your finger. Do this on the screen with me with your finger. Across to the right, up, across, down, across to the right, up, across to the right, and down, across to the right, up, across, and down. Okay, so we're going to do this starting on the left. You don't lift up your hand until you get to the end over here, and try to make your lines all the same size up, and they all start, you have a line there at the top so that you can see they're the same height, and at the bottom, can you see there? Maybe mom can make a line for you, mom or dad can just make a line for you. So I'll give you a chance to do that.
Start on top, yeah. Esa kapelo manakal. Right to the top. No, that one is just on. Just start and then right to the top.
The line. Okay.
On the line, okay? Up. Good.
Okay, now we are going to do the letter. I just want to make a line first. I'm just going to make a line for myself quickly here and for you.
Oh, I accidentally pressed this.
Okay, from the left to the right.
I'm trying to make them on there.
That's my line over here, just to show you that we are going to stop at a line. Okay, so watch carefully. We're going to do a lowercase l, and we start from the top and we just go straight down. Oh, I'm struggling to make it very nice and straight. I'm just going to change the color so that it's nice and bright for you, okay? From the top, down. No, that's not very nice. Let's use, can we use a black color? From the top, straight down. I'm really struggling to make a straight L with this. It's not like in school when we write with chalk straight down. Whoops, I'm struggling. From the top down, top down, and it must touch the line. Okay, can you see when I start at the top, I want all the lines to start at the same point. Okay, so that they're all the same height. Can you see? From the top down, from the top down. This is so easy to do. And there you have your L. L. So for today, you can finish off with more of that. Let's write down the title of the story. Let's write down Len the Lion. Let's write that down. So there we have a capital L, Len. What is the next word? So that says Len. What's the next word?
Oh.
Let me erase that. Len. The lion.
Right?
Len the lion.
Right? Kind of sound like lion.
Len the lion.
It sounds like lion.
Okay, right, guys, girls, you can practice another line after we've done with the lesson. You can do another line of L. You make your L, and you can do another pattern. Okay, right. So we are going to go off now.
I don't really know.
You can finish the handwriting again. So we're going to go on to the next.
That's at 8 o'clock.
Okay, right. Now we have all these pictures. What do these pictures start with? Let's have a look. What are these? What is this over here? This is a little lemon. What does this one start with?
Lemon.
It's a leaf. Who knows what this is?
Letter.
It's a letter. What does letter start with?
L.
L. Very good. What sound does it start with? L. And this animal over here?
Leopard.
A leopard. What does it start with?
Someone said it's leopard.
L. This over here?
Lips. Lips.
Lips. What does lip start with?
Lips.
L. Very good. And the last one?
Ladder.
A ladder. What does ladder start with? Very good. So these are all examples of pictures that you can draw of the sound L. Okay, so you're going to remember all these pictures. Can you think of any other things that start with L?
Legs.
Legs. Very good.
Lip.
Lips. We got lips already. Good. What other things can...
Teacher. Legs. And land.
Learn. Learn. Very good. You all are learning during what?
We are learning.
Yes, and so where are we learning now? During big word. During lockdown. During lockdown. Very good. Fantastic. I hope that you can draw a picture of that lockdown. Maybe you're going to draw a picture of a lock. Okay. A lock for lockdown. We've got that, yes. Right. So this is what you are going to do. You are going to draw as many pictures on your page that says L. Draw these pictures. When we are done, all these pictures and as many as you can, and see if you can draw more, and write down next to each one the sound that it starts with. Okay. Right, now we are going to read. Let's read. This is Lynn. So I'm going to read and then you can read after me. We're going to do choral reading. This is Lynn.
Len.
Lynn is a lion.
Len is lion.
Len is lion.
Lynn has lips.
Len has lips.
Len has lips.
Lynn licks his lips.
Len licks his lips.
Lynn has legs.
Len has legs.
Lynn has 4 legs.
Len has 4 legs.
So we're going to start at the top again. We're going to start at the top again. This, I'm going to read and then you can read again after me. This is Lynn. Lynn is a lion.
Len is a lion.
Lynn has lips.
Len has lips.
Lynn licks his lips.
Len licks his lips.
Lynn has legs.
Len has legs.
Lynn has 4 legs.
Len has 4 legs.
Wow, but you are reading so beautifully. What about if we try to read this together? 1, 2, 3. Can you see my little red light? You follow there and we read it all together. 1, 2, 3. This is Lynn. Lynn has lion. Lynn Has lips.
Lips.
Len licks his lips. Len has legs. Len has legs.
I know why it doesn't serve is because of the children are sleeping.
The pretty one is low.
That was fantastic. That was beautiful. Right, now, grade ones. Look at all the rules that are in red. Can you see all the red? So you can write more sentences on your page and make your
And
rules
leopards.
color. Okay. Let me repeat that instruction again. You can see all the rules that are in color. Can you see? I've written some sentences here and we've got 1, 2 rules that are in red. I want you to write another sentence on your page.
What are you doing?
No, you're not going to do any writing now. You're going to do this when we finish now. I'm going to give you some homework to do for today. So here's some sentences that we've read now, and I want you to add on any sentence. Maybe you can remember some of these sentences to copy onto your page later on. All right. And make sure that you write the L in color. Okay.
Okay.
So that is what you are going to do. You are going to complete your page and draw pictures starting with L. I want to see at least 6 pictures on your page and write the L next to each one. Okay? Then you write another sentence on your page. Okay? Before we go on to this, did you get your instruction? So that will be your homework for this afternoon or for today. Are there any questions before we go?
No, ma'am.
No questions? Okay. I really enjoyed hearing all of you. I really enjoyed this lesson, and now we're going to have another long weekend.
Yes, babe.
Yes. So for our next lesson, next Monday, we are going to make something very special. So we're going to make a special book. So there must be an adult to assist for Monday's lesson to help your small little hands with the surprise that we have. And the surprise, do you know what the surprise is? We actually don't want mommy there. Maybe mommy can hide away, or if mommy is alone there at home, or if it's just daddy, we're going to make a surprise because it's going to be Mother's Day. Okay. So if you can find somebody else, and we're going to make something special for mommy. Okay?
Yes.
So somebody else must help. Or if it's just daddy that's there, then it means then it's going to be, the surprise is going to be daddy. So maybe daddy is also mommy and daddy. So we're going to find somebody who's going to help to cut for you and to assist you with the activity, the booklet that we are going to make. So you must remember to bring the following things for Monday: scissors and a page. And you always have your stationery with you, okay? All right, are you going to remember?
Yes.
Yes. It sounds like some of you are so excited, but we must keep it actually a secret, eh? Okay, so you must have a lovely long weekend and you must stay safe. Keep washing your hands.
You too, ma'am.
Oh, thank you very much. And I will see you next Monday at 9 a.m.
Thank you. Thank you, teacher. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, right. So let's all say
Thank you. Bye.
let's all say goodbye. Goodbye.
Rocket sugar. Bye. Bye. Bye.